Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. We've got a very cool artistic campfire cake for you. Look at that! Start with your basic chocolate cake and slice in half. Then pop on some buttercream icing, chocolate of course. Spread it out. Put the second half of the cake on and coat the whole thing in chocolate buttercream icing too. Smooth it out. Using a fork to create some ridges along the side. Pop on some chocolate wafers, looking like logs in the middle of your fireplace. Now we've got buttercream icing split between two bowls. One we're making orange and the other we're making yellow. Pop those side by side into a food piping bag. And with a serrated edge nozzle, you're going to pipe this amazing two-tone effect on top of your chocolate wafer logs. It looks just like fire. Amazing! Let's get some mini marshmallows and pop them onto cocktail sticks. We can roast them on the fire. Pop those around the edges. And a few edible chocolate stones around the bottom. And there you have it, an amazing chocolate campfire cake. Cut a slice. And enjoy.